Sunday. It's Bree, the coupon queen. So we are outside of CVS Pharmacy. Gonna go in and print our coupons from the red box machine. So let's see how we make out. Okay, let's see what prints for us. I did sneak peek this morning, so I did check it out. Now, even if it says we're experiencing technical difficulties like that, it's still printing, so don't get discouraged. Just have to be a little patient. Yay, look at all these coupons. This is literally my favorite part of Sunday mornings now, coming and seeing what coupons I have. Okay, so let's check them out. There's also some app-only ones that it'll show you right here. So if you are going to be purchasing these, make sure you check your app and then get those sent to your card. So this is the biggest one, the free beauty bag when you spend $15 on Maybelline. This is going to print for everyone. So this is definitely a hot deal. If you do have any other Maybelline CRTs or coupons, I do have some peelies I had found. I'm going to definitely be taking advantage of this week. Okay, so when I come to print my CRTs from that red box, I always want to check and see what kind of clearance they have, see if there's any items. Here's some good summer kitchen items. These are, this is an ice cube tray, things like that. They have some Tupperware containers here that I'm actually going to be taking advantage of. I do need more Tupperware containers. They have some little snacks, things like that, crackers. So make sure you guys take a look around. All of these summer items are going to be on clearance as well. So these here are all marked at 25% off. They even have some cute little rawhide bones. I'd buy them for my dog, but she's so damn picky, I know she wouldn't even eat them, so that would be a waste. But those are just 75 cents. If you do have a pup that's not as picky as mine, they have some more cute little treats here. They have some different training pads, things like that, which would be good for that hurricane that is coming. Unfortunately, I am in Florida. Waist bags, this is a good one. These are just 75 cents. So I clip that to the leash so that way when she goes to the bathroom, you can pick it up. Ooh, actually these I do need. See that? You never know what you need until you come and get it. They also have a pedicure set. I'm not gonna get this because my feet are super ticklish and these kill me, but that's a good set to have. Just a bunch of cool things. So you want to make sure that you look around. Here are some more items that are 25% off. So take a look around. You never know what you might find. I find some good deals sometimes. Here are some candles as well, 25% off. Keep in mind they will continue to discount. So that they're 25% off now, they'll be 50% off, 75, so on and so forth until they're gone. And then I was just speaking to one of the associates here. They mentioned that they do wind up then donating the item. So whatever is not purchased is donated. But definitely some hot clearance deals, so take a look. Okay, I always come over here to the beauty section as well and look. More Dickinson free after offer. So you're gonna pay, these are $7.29. There is one left. You're gonna pay $7.29. Then if you open this tab, anytime there's a peelie, you always wanna read it. So this is gonna wind up being free after your purchase price. You're gonna receive a full refund and it expires in 2 years. So you're gonna fill it out, you're gonna mail it in, you're gonna fill out this information, and then you're gonna get your money back in the form of a check. So this is awesome. I didn't obviously expect this, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick this up. This is what I had gotten last time with the free offer. So this is super great. I'm really excited about this. So make sure you guys take a look around. There's some Biore that is also 50% off here. There is a couple left. Not too much clearance in this section, but you always want to look for these tags. These are on clearance as well, but at my store they are gone. So make sure you check that clearance. Okay, Wet n Wild is on sale this week at spend 8, get a $5 extra buck. So you could get a powder like this. It is going to be $7.99. If your store follows that 98% rule, you would pick up one of these, get the $5 extra buck, and your total would be just $3. If they do not abide by that rule, you can mix and match. You can get some cheap liners, or you can add a liner on with this deal. Total would be $9.78. Get the $5 extra buck. Total would be $4.78 for 2 items. Not a bad deal. Okay, Maybelline New York this week is spend $15 and you're gonna get a free 3-piece beauty bag, and that is worth $9.98. There's a couple items in there, so I'm excited about that. So we're gonna go ahead and do this deal. I'm gonna pick up one of these Colossal Volume mascaras, 9 times the volume. They are $8.99. There's a couple other versions as well. Big Colossal, this is $8.49. This Big Shot is going to be $9.49. That one is a little bit more expensive. This Pumped Up Colossal is $8.99 as well as this, the Mega Plush. So get whatever one looks good for you. I'm going to go ahead and pick up the Colossal Volume. Then I'm going to get one of these quad eyeshadows. Quite a few different items here. Let's see which one I'm going to get. These are all $7.49. Get this one out. Okay, I'm gonna go with probably this one. Pretty neutral. I like to do more neutrals. So I'm gonna pick up this. It is $7.49. So together, these are going to be $16.58. I'm gonna use a $2 off coupon. It was a Peely that I found in the store last week, so I'm gonna use a $2 off Peely on this. I also have a $3 off 12 cosmetic CRT, and then a $3 off Maybelline CRT as well. Total is gonna be $8.58, because this was actually a little bit more expensive. So $8.58. Then you're gonna get that free beauty bag. Sorry, I have some lipstick that I smeared on here that I was trying earlier. It's on my hand still. I'm gonna get a $3 extra buck because I'm gonna hit beauty. So total for me is gonna be $5.58 for these two products and that beauty bag, so not a bad deal there. Okay, CoverGirl this week is on sale. Buy two, get a $5 extra buck. So one deal you could do is pick up one of these CoverGirl Lash Blast volumes. They are $9.49. We do have a $2 off coupon from the $8.25 Smart Source that you can use with that. You can also pick up one of these concealers down here. They are $7.79. And then we do have a $2 off face product from the $8.18 Retail Me Not. Total on those is going to be $17.28. If you also have a $3 off 15 for CoverGirl CRT, you're going to want to go ahead and put those together. Your final out-of-pocket is going to be $10.28. Then you're going to get back a $5 extra buck, so it's going to be $5.28 for two, or $2.64 each. Not a bad deal. I'm going to go ahead and pass on it because I don't need those items. If you need them, do it. If you don't, I would take a pass on it. Okay, Brookside chocolate, there's a couple different versions here. It's on sale this week, $3.79. When you go to that red box, everyone is going to get this CRT. It is a $2 off any Hershey's or Brookside pouches. It also does work on the Kit Kats. I got this a few weeks ago, so I'm going to go ahead and pick up one of these Brookside chocolates. If you've never had them, they are really good. So this is going to end up being $1.79. Really good deal. Venus and Gillette is on sale this week. Buy two of the razors or refills, get an $8 extra buck. A deal you could do is pick up the Venus Sensitive Smooth. It is a 2-pack. They are on sale for $11.99. We also have a $2 off one coupon from the $8.25 P&G. That would match up with that one. You can also get the Gillette Mach 3. The tag says $9.59, but when I scanned it on the app, it was $9.29. So make sure you scan it on your app first, or take it to the red box and see what the price is. So the total, and there's a coupon from the $8.25 P&G as well, $2 off of this one. If you have a $5 off 20 shave, is the only way I would do this deal. Makes it wind up being about $2.50 per razor. After the $2 off, the $5 off CRT is $9 off. Then you're going to get back that $8 extra buck as well. So the final price out of pocket is around $5.28 or $2.60 each. So not a bad deal there if you need some razors.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Bree, the Coupon Queen. I didn't do that many deals at CVS this week. It was a little bit of a slower week, so make sure you're watching your deals. Only buy things that you need or if it's gonna wind up being free for you, of course, go ahead and pick it up, but be careful. Next week, there's gonna be a lot more deals. There were no inserts in the Sunday newspaper this week because tomorrow is Labor Day and it's the Labor Day weekend. So I did not pick up any newspapers or anything. There were a few really good coupons on the app, so make sure you scroll through your CVS app, send all those good high value coupons to your card. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe in the bottom right hand corner. Hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. So there are additional deals and things in the printable breakdown, which is in, if you hit that little arrow, there is a printable document. You can go ahead and click that and print it. There's good razor deals, there's another P&G deal, things like that. So make sure you take a look at that. I'm in Florida, so I am getting ready for that Hurricane Dorian, unfortunately. So I just wanted to grab a few hot deals, especially this beauty bag deal. It is for Maybelline. So if you spend $15, you're gonna get this free, it says 3-piece beauty bag, but there's like 5 or 6 items in here. So I was really excited about that. So we'll go through that as well. So for that deal, what I did is I bought a Colossal mascara because I had a $2 peely for it that I had found on some mascara from Walgreens last week when I was walking around. So I grabbed that, so I was able to use that on this one. Then I got a Maybelline Quad Eyeshadow. So the deal is, these are $8.99. The Quad Eyeshadow is $7.79. So in total, it's gonna be $16.78. I got a $3 CRT from the red box that had printed, as you saw earlier in the video. Tons and tons of coupons printed. I'll be trying to use those next Sunday. I didn't have too much time today. And then I also had a $3 off 12 cosmetic CRT and then the $2 peely. So final cost out of pocket is gonna be $8.78 for these 2 items. But then you're gonna get this beauty bag. So there's a couple different colors. I picked it's like a teal color. Blue is my favorite color, so that's why I picked this one. So let's look inside and see what we got. So we got this Sun and Bum, if you can see that. There's 3 pieces just in here. So this one is a 3-in-1 leave-in hair treatment. We got a Sun and Bum 30 SPF sunscreen. And then we also got some 30 SPF chapstick as well. So right there, 3 items that came in the bag. Then we got this Hello Halo liquid highlighter from Wet n Wild. So that was good. This is a deep sea mud mask. I like these masks better than those sheet masks because those kind of make you look crazy, and I just feel like these do better for my skin. They make my skin feel super nice. So this is a one-time use, a mud mask. We did get 2 sheet masks as well. This is After the Sun Watermelon and Vitamin E. This is one of those sheet masks with the eyes and the mouth cutouts. And then we got this cucumber sheet mask as well. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. So it says it's a 3-piece bag, but there were 7 items in there. And then, of course, we got this $3 off, if you can see that. Try over here, no? Sorry, there's a glare on the screen. But a $3 off Maybelline coupon. So every couponer loves coupons, so that in itself was awesome. And then you get this cute little bag too, clear bag. You can always use this if you're going to, if you're traveling, going to the airport, something like that. Nice clear bag so they can see what is in your bag. So that was a really good deal. This is a $10 value. The bag, everything in the bag, they say it's a $10 value. I think it's worth more than that, but that's just me. Super excited about this. So I think it is a really hot deal. It's for this week only. So make sure you guys go ahead and grab that. The like coupon per se for this is gonna print out for everyone at the red box. So make sure when you guys get there, go to the red box like I did, type in your phone number and get all those coupons. There's a couple instant coupons that are gonna print for everyone. Which brings me to my next deal. Super excited about this. I love sweets and candy and I love s'mores. How cool. So it's Hershey's Crunchers S'mores. They're clusters. I'm really excited about that. There's a couple different things you can get. There's a Kit Kat this size. You can also get Brookshire chocolate. There's a couple different varieties of that as well. They're all $3.79. You're gonna get a $2 instant coupon at that red box for everyone, so it makes it $1.79. Another deal I did is on the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Lip Liner, or lip color, I'm sorry. It's matte, and I love matte. I think it makes my lips look really nice. I don't have the biggest lips, so this shows that I actually have lips on my face, so I really like it. It's a really nice color. It's like a mauve color. I haven't put it on yet, but when I was trying out the different colors, I have it like all over my, oh look, it's like a smiley face. Oh, I didn't realize, look at this smiley face. That's all different colors that I was trying. So the deal on this, they are $9.99 advertised, but double check because it did show up on my receipt as $10.29, so I have to call the store about that. But they should be $9.99. Buy one, get a $3 extra buck, so it's gonna wind up being $6.99. It's a little expensive, but they're really good products, and it is matte. Like I said, I really want more matte lip colors, so that's why I went ahead and took advantage of this. Those are all the deals that I did, not a big haul at all. I usually do quite a bit more, but like I said, I am preparing for Hurricane Dorian, unfortunately. Hopefully he kind of comes and goes and doesn't do too much damage. So we're crossing our fingers here in Florida. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, and make sure you guys subscribe now. If you have any questions or anything, comment below, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. See you guys next time.